Hey DIY enthusiasts, I'm here today to walk you through setting up your very own urban rainwater harvesting system. With cities growing and gardens shrinking, it's more important than ever to use every drop wisely. So let's get started. First off, why rainwater? Well, it's free, eco-friendly, and reduces your water bill. Plus, plants love rainwater because it's free from the salts and chemicals found in tap water. Now let's tackle how to make a rainwater system work in a small space. Step 1. Choose your barrels. You want something sturdy yet easy to handle. Old wine or whiskey barrels are great for this, or you could buy a rain barrel from your local hardware store. Make sure it has a lid to keep out debris and mosquitoes. Step 2. Find the perfect spot. Ideally, you want to place your barrel under a downspout to catch the most water. If space is tight, consider using a diverter on your downspout that can direct water to your barrel when it rains and away from it when it's full. Step 3. Set up your barrel. Elevate it on a strong base to make filling up your watering can easier and to help with water pressure if you're using a hose. Don't forget to add an overflow valve to direct excess water away from your home's foundation. Now, let's talk about maintenance. Keep your gutters clean to prevent blockages and ensure clean water. In colder climates, you'll need to empty your barrels before winter to prevent freezing damage. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've got a functional rainwater harvesting system that not only saves you money but also helps the planet. So grab those tools, get creative, and turn those rainy days into opportunities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical DIY tips. Happy harvesting, and see you next time.